So budget earbuds have came a long way since the dawn of the TWS era. Earbuds today, even at budget prices, sometimes even outperform some of the bigger boys. And sometimes you question if it's even worth buying the bigger brands. And today we're taking a look at another competitor in the budget earbuds realm and to see if it's any good. Welcome to a review of the Whizzer C3. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with the review of the Whizzer C3. So everybody loves budget earbuds, and especially when they have so much to offer, they become extremely irresistible. So today we're taking a look at Whizzer C3, and Whizzer has been gracious enough to send me these earbuds, and although they have sent me these earbuds, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. So these earbuds retails in Malaysia for about 150 Malaysia ringgit, and that translates to about US 35, which is fairly decent price for a high performing budget earbuds. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So the Whizzer C3 doesn't try to wow you over with crazy design or fancy outlook, but focuses on delivering amazing sounding earbuds right out of the box. So the earbuds come in a case that is very simple and hard plastic build overall, and at the top of the lid you will see a nice Whizzer branding, very nice and hidden at the top of the lid. So personally, this type of styling is definitely up my alley, and I really like products that don't show off their brand so much or their name and keep everything nice and minimal. Overall, the feel of the case is not all that exciting and does feel a little rough around the edges as well. So if you flip the case around, you will see a micro USB charge port, which is quite unfortunate for 2020 earbuds, but maybe that is still the trajectory for budget earbuds in 2020. Once they finish up their stockpile of micro USB ports, then most of them will start moving towards Type-C. And although there is a hinge on the lid, the opening of the lid is not all that glamorous and does feel a little bit loose overall, so if you can hear that. So all the lid does is open up for you so that you can take your earbuds out and doesn't really stay in place, and if you push it a little bit or shake it a little bit, it will definitely slam shut. So when you take the earbuds out of the case, you will notice that the size of the earbuds is a little bit bulkier than traditional earbuds. For me, this is just slightly pushing on the sides of my ears, and I would imagine it'll be harder for smaller size ears to fit these earbuds. So at the top of the earbuds, you will see a nice Whizzer logo in a gloss black finish, which makes it stand out from the entire matte black earbuds. And at the sides of the earbuds, you see a small LED indicator which is not intrusive at all and doesn't light up an entire room when you use it in dark situations. So the earbuds would give you a good 6 hours of continuous playback time, and the case gives you a total of 36 hours of total playback time, which translates to about 6 times charge cycle, and the case and the earbuds takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. All in all, a pretty decent earbuds that is not all too exciting in the design department. So the C3 offers users with pretty awesome features for a budget earbuds, and that is definitely an awesome thing. So these earbuds sports Qualcomm's QCC3020 chip, which gives you support for aptX, AAC as well as SBC audio codec, and should give you sufficiently good connection performance as well as latency performance. So the earbuds are also rated to be IPX5 water resistant and should give you sufficient protection from your workouts or if you get caught under the rain using these earbuds. So this is a fairly good water resistant rating for an everyday earbuds and should be able to get you through most situations. The earbuds also allows you to use the earbuds in mono or stereo mode, but it does take a while to reconnect if you take out one side and put it back inside the case. Not as seamless as some earbuds, but better than many that don't let you swap between earbuds. And in terms of the sound signature, I think the earbuds provides a fairly decent sound signature and has a slight emphasis on the low ends. If you choose the right ear tips for these earbuds, you'll notice that the low end actually rumbles very nicely in your ears. It does get a little overpowering and slightly covers up the mids and highs a little, and the earbuds also comes with a 10mm biological diaphragm, and Whizzer claimed that it has quasi-Tesla magnetism, which I am not an expert in, but I believe it has something to do with magnets. So if you enjoy a nice heavy bass, then this is definitely a good earbuds for you and would definitely make you happy. In terms of the call quality, the C3 is just okay, and I wish that it did a little better. For my testing, these earbuds perform well in quiet places, but doesn't seem to cut out ambient noise too well in noisy environments. Your voice still gets through barely, but it does sound a little muffled and not the best sounding call quality in my opinion. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Whizzer C3 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So now I'm speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can tell the difference. So now there is a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So since these earbuds have Bluetooth 5.0, there are really no issues with latency when watching videos on YouTube or Netflix. However, playing games still isn't really ideal in most earbuds today, and we really hope to see this transmission speed gets fast enough to support gaming fully wirelessly. So anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone, and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. So when it comes to the controls, the C3 does most of the controls fairly well and includes many of the controls that you really want, but it's not all that comprehensive overall. So to increase or decrease the volume, simply tap and hold on the right or left earbuds respectively, and the volume of the earbuds will slowly go higher or slowly go lower, and the volume of the earbuds are independent to the phone as well, so these earbuds can actually go very loud. So to play or pause media and pick up phone calls, simply double tap on either side of the earbuds, and that will allow you to play or pause your media. So there you go, play or pause. And to skip forwards or backwards, simply triple tap the right or left earbuds, and that will allow you to skip forward or skip backwards, right? And overall, these are all the control schemes that you get with the Whizzer C3, and overall I think the execution is fairly decent in terms of the controls. So overall, if you need a pair of budget earbuds that works as advertised, has very good bass performance and good control schemes, then definitely give the Whizzer C3 a try. So that is it for this review, and if you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.